Uniswap Crypto Exchange Review, My Usage Experience. Uniswap is a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that stands out for its innovative approach to trading digital assets. Built on the Ethereum blockchain, Uniswap eliminates the need for traditional intermediaries, leveraging smart contracts to facilitate seamless peer-to-peer trades. The platform is designed for crypto enthusiasts, DeFi users, and anyone seeking a decentralized and trustless way to trade tokens. What sets Uniswap apart is its automated market maker, AMM system, which replaces traditional order books with liquidity pools, enabling users to trade directly with the pool rather than with other traders. This approach provides constant liquidity and ensures fair pricing determined by mathematical formulas instead of market sentiment. One of Uniswap's most compelling features is its simplicity. The intuitive interface allows users to connect their wallets, such as MetaMask or Wallet Connect, and begin trading almost instantly. There's no need for lengthy account setups or KYC processes, making it a privacy-friendly option. The platform supports a vast array of ERC20 tokens, giving traders access to an extensive selection of assets. Additionally, liquidity providers can earn rewards by contributing to the pools, making Uniswap a dual-purpose tool for both traders and passive income seekers. My experience with Uniswap has been smooth and efficient. The absence of intermediaries speeds up transactions significantly, and the decentralized nature ensures complete control over my assets. Gas fees, however, can be a drawback, especially during periods of high network congestion. This is something to keep in mind if you're trading smaller amounts. To counter this, Uniswap has introduced its version 3, V3, offering features like concentrated liquidity, allowing liquidity providers to optimize their capital and enhance returns. Security is another strength of Uniswap. Since it operates on the Ethereum blockchain, its smart contracts have been thoroughly audited and are considered among the most secure in the space. However, as with any DeFi platform, users must remain vigilant about scams and phishing attacks. Always double-check URLs and never share your private keys. In conclusion, Uniswap is a game-changer for anyone looking to explore decentralized trading. Its ease of use, wide token support, and innovative AMM model make it a go-to choice for DeFi enthusiasts. While gas fees can be a limitation, the platform's advantages far outweigh this downside. If you're looking for a secure, fast, and decentralized way to trade crypto, Uniswap is absolutely worth considering.